Today we're going to make our dolls a DIY whisk and eggs. Start with 3 paper clips. Using Ino's pliers, bend the paper clip so it is straight. Then you're going to round it in the center. Additionally, bend a little at the edges. And make sure to do this for all 3. Take a straw and hot glue one of the metal pieces into the center of it. With the second piece, place it on top of the first piece and poke it into the straw. Do the same with the third piece to form the top of your whisk. Hot glue ribbon around it for a neater look. Cut off any excess straw. Glue on the bottom to some matching cardstock. And trim around it for your DIY doll whisk. Using parchment paper, glue on a blob of hot glue. Once dry, glue on a dot of hot glue on top of it. Paint that dot yellow. And peel off. For a miniature eggs and whisk. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.